So to find the volume of this shape, we're actually going to start by finding the base area, and we have to break the base up into two pieces to do that. The first one is this 5 by 1. So 5 times 1 equals 5. So that little piece is 5 inches squared. Then we've got a triangle here, and this triangle has a base of 5. But its height is not 13. It's actually, the height is, that 13 goes from here to there, but we only want this part from here to here. So that's actually 12, and then we already know the 5, so it's 12 by 5. So we're going to do 12 times 5, and then since it's a triangle, you have to divide by 2. So 12 times 5 is 60. 60 divided by 2 is 30 inches squared. So I'm going to take the 5 and the 30, I'm going to add that together. 30 plus 5 gives me 35 inches squared. This is the area of the base. Now, to find the volume, we have to multiply the area of the base times the height of the prism. Now, the height of the prism, prism bases are always connected by the height. So here's one base here, it looks just like the one we found, and then here's the other base here, and it's connected by this measurement, 10. The base is always connected by the height. So we're going to take the 10 and multiply it by the area of the base, which is 35, and that gives us 350 inches cubed. But for assistance, we're just going to type in 350.